Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hard toffee easy guide. Melt butter and sugar together in a heavy saucepan over medium heat while stirring constantly so it does not burn. Keep a candy thermometer handy and bring the mixture to the hard crack stage at 300 degrees F, watching closely as it approaches 300. Pour immediately onto a prepared sheet and tilt to spread before it cools rapidly. Temperature is the single most important control when making hard toffee, so monitor it closely and don't guess. Bring your butter and sugar up gradually, keeping the heat steady so the mixture cooks evenly, and remove from heat at 300 degrees F to achieve a clean, crisp snap. Work fast when pouring because the toffee can set in under a minute, and add nuts or chocolate while it is still hot. If you're enjoying this toffee guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and get more recipes out there. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot is a handy little speaker that brings your space to life and keeps timers and recipes a voice command away, which is perfect while candy is cooking. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Small additions make a big difference in the final taste and texture, so season with a pinch of salt for balance and finish with vanilla once the mixture is off the heat. For a smoother surface, cool at room temperature on a flat board and avoid cold air blasts. If you like mix-ins, press toasted nuts or chopped chocolate onto the hot toffee so they adhere and add both flavor and crunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.